Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a quick show and tell for you guys today. I have not been able to do much crafting lately, but I have been trying to get a little bit in when I can. And so I'm still stuck on these traveler's notebooks. I've been enjoying making them. And I shared this one with you guys in one of my last traveler's notebook videos, and I had used the Prima Diamond collection to make this one. This came out so pretty. As y'all can see, I've already been journaling in this one. Came out so nice. I love this one. I keep it in my purse, and when I feel like taking it out and journaling a little bit, or if I have to jot something down real quick, that's what I do. So I love this one. And I also made another one just like it. I just put a different charm on here, and it's that faux leather, and I went through it. This one is pretty much almost the same as mine, but I made this one possibly for one of my friends, but I told her she can choose which one she likes. So I made this one, and I also made the clear vinyl one, which is what I'm going to share with you guys today. So she can either pick this one or this one. So this is the latest notebook that I made. So I used the same paper collection. I used one of those little charms. I think, if I'm not mistaken, this might be Tim Holtz, and the charm says, "She dreams of faraway places and daring adventures." And I thought that was really nice for a traveler's notebook. And I put one of those little ephemera pieces on the cover that says "Explore," and this is one of those vinyl, clear vinyl jackets. On the inside, I added a vinyl pocket, and I also put one of the cut-aparts or journaling cards from the collection. It says, "Dream, lead, fight, think right, build, speak, educate, believe, challenge, and inspire." So that just sticks right in there. And for these inserts for this notebook, they all are with lined paper, which I think came out really nice. So I just used the paper, ephemera. I used some of my little gold word stickers, the journaling cards from the collection, and so all of these are lined papers. And this is a folder that I made out of one of those large Dollar Tree manila folders. So it says, "She's got that warrior princess, purpose-driven, savage but sweet kind of vibe." And it's just a folder, and it's around this insert, which is another notebook. This is the other end of that folder, and so you can just stick things down in the folder. I just added one of these clips and another cut apart from the collection, and it says, "Being underestimated is one of the biggest competitive advantages you can have. Try to embrace it." So that was that, and this is the last insert. I did add one of those little sticky back pen holders, and I did use one of those little Pentel pens, and I added a piece of the paper from the collection on the inside to just kind of tie the pen in with the notebook. And that is that. I love these. Using these little vinyl jackets makes it so much easier and faster to make these traveler's notebooks. I used the orange cord, which I got from Amazon. And I love this cord because it's not really thin. It's nice and thick. And I got a whole bag of all different colors. And I ordered that on Amazon. So I just think that is so nice. And I told my girlfriend she can pick which one she wants. And so she picked the clear vinyl. So either one would have been a really good choice. So, and that paper, I just love that paper. Look at that. So either way, you get that really beautiful image. And you know, I just ordered another 12 by 12 pack of that Prima Diamond Collection paper. I feel like I don't want to run out of it, but I have been using it. I have like a busload of scraps. I actually started making another one of the clear vinyl ones. All I have to do is add the paper to the inserts. So I've already chosen the designer paper from the cardstock from the Diamond Collection. I made the folder already for that. And I've already chosen my paper, so I just have to add the lined paper to this one. But the cord, everything is already there. So, and I think, did I add? Yeah, and I even added a pocket on the inside of that one as well. So it's super easy. All I have to do is add the lined paper to the inserts, and this one will be ready as well. I also made this one, which is really pretty because I love this paper. And this paper... this paper is from this collection right here, and it's a die cuts with the View paper collection that I've had in my stash for a while, and I really like it. So I did want to make a traveler's notebook using that paper, so I made that. And this is one of those die cut butterflies from that pack that I got from Dollar Tree. I added this cute little butterfly charm, one of those gold stickers that says keep moving forward. The back is just plain, and the inside, I didn't add the pin to this one yet because I really want to get some different color pin holders. So the inside, I added a pocket. This is the first insert. This is the folder insert right here, and it's wrapped around another insert. I just really love the paper. Look at that. From this collection. Pretty butterflies that has gold foiling on it. And here is that last insert. They're all lined. Okay. So I thought this was pretty too. And I really wish I could have found a little gold butterfly for the charm. If I find one, I'll change it off, but yeah. So that is that one. And y'all, if anybody's interested in purchasing one of these little traveler's notebooks, send me an email. My email information is below, and I will do PayPal, friends and family, and priority shipping. So yeah, super cute. Just send me an email if you're interested. Super, super cute. I love it. Just was a really quick, and I started working on another one with the Maggie Holmes. I think this paper is the Flourish paper. It might be a mix of different papers because I have a whole box of different Maggie Holmes ephemera and paper and everything, so they all get mixed up. But I used the pink cord for this one, and I am going to cut some inserts and make a few embellishments for this one. But it's just super easy to make the traveler's notebook jackets, or covers I should say, and then just make your inserts or buy them. You can also buy inserts from Dollar Store or Walmart and just stick them in. So yeah, just a quick share. So these came out really nice. So Nicole, if you're watching, this is that faux leather one like mine, a little bit different. The pen has polka dots, and this is the clear one. So that is the share for today. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you would like to subscribe, just click the link below to subscribe. Feel free to comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.